Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here and I hope you are having a fantastic fall so far. I have today a Fabfitfun fall edit sale, so let's get in here and see what I've got. Before we do that, I have a couple of things I want to tell you. The first thing I want to talk about is Jessica over at EverythingProof Beauty. I know a lot of you who watch my channel know who she is, and if you don't, you should go over and check her out. I will link her below. And she and I have gotten to be such good friends on YouTube. We talk a lot, we have a lot of the same things in common. We both love our Fabfitfun boxes, and we love to do our mystery bundle battles, which we will be doing again for winter. But guess what? And this is so exciting, and I've known it for a while, but keeping my mouth shut because it was a secret. Jessica is starting her own subscription box, and it's called GlossyBox. That's what it's gonna look like. And I just feel so proud and so excited for her, and I know all of the energy that she has put into it, and it's just such an exciting time. She's doing her pre-launch and the word is out, and I just wanted to let you guys know in case you have any interest in checking it out. Her subscription box is GlossyBoxed because you're gonna pick the box that is just right for you, and she will have a bronze bear, a silver bear, and a gold bear, and they can be customized, but it's not like customization categories. She's going to have a group of products, and you will be able to customize your box by how many of those products you would like to choose. So you can choose 3 for the bronze, 5 for the silver, or 7 for the gold. Plus, in each one of those boxes, she'll put a bonus selection too. Actually, I think if you get the bronze, you get the bronze bonus. If you get the silver, you get the bronze and silver bonus. And if you get the gold, you get all 3 bonuses. I am pretty sure that is accurate. And the surprise bear is actually 3 products that she will pick. So the range of the boxes is from $21.99 to $59.99, depending on how much customization you want to have. But I just wanted to mention this because I know how hard she's been working on it and how much she loves doing it. She's a subscription box addict, just like we are. And she's trying to make such a great subscription box, you know, being very thoughtful about what it is that people don't like about subscription boxes or what they do like about subscription boxes. Anyway, I am so excited for her. I just wanted you guys to know. And if you have any interest in signing up pre-launch, I will put the link below and you will get an email with a code that will get you 10% off your first box. So yay. And I just feel that friend pride that you feel, and I just wanted you guys to know about it, and plus have the opportunity to get 10% off if you are at all interested. If you have any other questions about it, I am happy to try and answer it below, or if I don't know the answer, I know somebody who does. Okay, let's get into this box and see what I've got. I did not order a lot from Fabfitfun during the edit sale. There just wasn't a lot that really spoke to me, and I didn't get a mystery bundle because I knew Jess and I weren't doing the battle, so I just picked up a few odds and ends. I'm sure that I won't have the prices in here, so I will look them up, and like I do, I will put them below the products. All right, let's see how accurate the size of the box was. That's always the first game with this, isn't it? Let's see how big the box needed to be. This could have been a much smaller box. That is how full it is. Can you guys see? That is not so full. Okay, for time's sake, I just took everything out of the box, and this is the point at which I'm willing to admit this is an unusual grouping of items. You know, sometimes you place those orders and they come and you think, well, that was an unusual day of shopping. Here we go. The very first thing that I have is Rodial. I'm gonna need my glasses for this. Beyond the Rodial, it gets very small. Derived from fruit, My Orchard Quince Body Wash. Well, that's interesting. It looks like something I will probably set aside until spring or summer because it's very fruity. Let's see what quince smells like. I'll just unscrew it instead of making it pump because like I said, I'm probably just gonna set it aside. Ooh, it's white and creamy. Oh, it smells very nice and fresh. I like that. I like that a lot. But like I said, it is very summery. The fruit smell is fantastic. I have never tried any of their body products. I can't use their face products because most of them have things in them I can't use, or things that I find to be too aggressive. But I thought, yeah, let's give the body stuff a try. Let's see if it says anything on the back. Yeah, this doesn't tell us anything on the back other than that it is a body wash. Most of it is in Korean, so I don't read that so well, but it is also made in Korea. Okay, next. Because you know, I have to work this into every single box that I have. I have a daily concept. I know, but you're not expecting it. Scrunchies. They are a terry cloth, and they're just a terry cloth kind of beige scrunchie, and there's 2 of them. Looks like handcuffs. Anyway, oh boy. It is a 2-pack of Daily Concepts Daily Scrunchies. Organic cotton. That's probably what caught my eye. Organic cotton. No lines left in hair. All right, it is organic, vegan, cruelty-free, and it is made in China. Scrunchies. Because this isn't unusual enough yet, I have this. What is this, you're asking? It's a sharpener. It's from Julep. And I think it said it was a lip and, yeah, it's, I don't know what to tell you guys. It's just a sharpener. It's just for lip pencils. There you go, that's a good. It's just for lip pencils and eye pencils, and I needed a new good sharpener. I wonder how it cleans. Let's see if it unscrews. I think it might unscrew. So if you are new to FabFitFun, they are a lifestyle box that comes out seasonally, spring, summer, fall, and winter. They are $49.95, $44.95 if you sign up annually. But I think sometimes the best part of FabFitFun is the sales. I know you're not seeing me prove that with this box necessarily, but this was probably all, I'm telling you guys, really good prices, and I usually get way better stuff and way more of it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read about how it is. If you have this, and you can just let me know below how this comes apart. I don't see how it comes apart. Oh, this little pin just came out. I wish I can hear that Jeopardy music playing in the back of my head. Doo, 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 doo. I'm gonna have to read more. I managed to get a pin out of it. It came out of that little hole right there. But I have a julep sharpener to sharpen my eye pencils and lip pencils, which we get a ton of in subscription boxes. Next I have this set, and I have looked at these in the past and never really given them a second thought, and then Jessica showed one and I thought, I organize. You guys have heard me, if you watch the channel, talk in the past a bunch about I love to write things down. I use pens, I have a million pads, I make notes. Having things on my computer just doesn't do it for me. I need to be able to grab it up, look at it, and move on with my life. So I keep a notebook constantly of just notes. And this falls into that same vein. I love to organize. So let me open this one up and show you guys. This is a memo pad that you can hang on your fridge, and it's Monday through Sunday. And this is just for making any kind of notes that you want. So that's kind of cool. And then this is a food and fitness tracker, and it is non-dated, so you can fill in the dates that you want. And when you open it up, it just shows you the day. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then goals. So this is a week. Is it 52 weeks? Let's just go ahead and assume that it's 52 weeks. It doesn't seem like 52. Yes. I just took a minute and counted them, and there are indeed 52 weeks. So something you can track your food on. And in case that hasn't tracked enough of what you're doing yet, we have this. And this is tear off sheets, and it is also 52 sheets, so 52 weeks. So this is a year worth of planning here. You have Monday through Friday and the weekend, and you can make your special notes down here. It's planning. I'm planning because planning makes me happy. And then, just in case that wasn't enough planning, because you're looking at really small pictures when you order this stuff and you're just not really sure what you're gonna get, I got this. And you're saying, what is that, Kathrin? It's a planner. Let's get into this one and see what it looks like. I know, you're now learning way too much about me and all my OCD-ness. I like to make notes. This one, though, is just 2 things. And it is the daily planner, and this is a daily task pad. And it just, to do, emails and calls, meals, more meal tracking if you'd like, gratitude. I loved it when I kept a gratitude journal. Hydration, wellness, tomorrow. And then this nice big notebook. And this is a 2021 planner. I'm very excited. It's a full notebook sized, which seems ridiculous, except for I am keeping so many notes now about when we do things and when boxes come. I'm keeping so many notes because of dates, and I want to know. COVID has brought out the OCD in me. There's just no getting around it. So when we open it up, we have a year. And then let's see what each page looks like. Oh, it's big. I like it. So January. I mean, these are big squares. you could put a lot on that. Now I'm hoping as we turn the page, we're gonna go week to week. Uh-oh, February, March, April. All right, so the beginning is the months. Just each month, just like the one we just saw for January. Then we get into exactly what I wanted. After that, you know, we're about this far in. The rest of this is gonna be week to week. And that is what it looks like. And it's just a Monday to Sunday. Oh, they've given us half days on the weekend. That's gonna be short. I keep more notes than that, but these are fantastic. I like this a lot. So I will sit this, believe it or not, it sits right next to my bed and I make a million notes. And I know it seems like a very big calendar, but I am very happy to have it. Okay, oddly enough, that's the end of my Fabfitfun Edit Sale. I know, it was an unusual grouping of items. I got this nice planner set and I got this nice planner set and this nice body wash and some organic cotton scrunchies and a julep eye and lip pencil sharpener. So I am the first one to admit that was an unusual haul. Let me know below, did you do the Fabfitfun Edit Sale? Did you buy way funner stuff than I did? I can't explain it, guys. You guys know I usually get a huge box full of really fun things, and apparently this is what spoke to me that day. We also have, and I'm sure that I won't unbox it because it's one thing. They did, what was it called? The Expert is In. I don't know what the point of that sale was, just a way to get more stuff out of their closet, I suspect, but they had a beach waver in it. And you remember back when I did nice curls, I had a beach waver, but it has two little screws that hold it in, and one of mine worked its way loose and my husband could not get it back in. And the beach waver was $60 off. So I got that, but that's all I got from that sale, so I probably won't unbox it. Thank you guys so much for coming by. This was an unusual sale. I am the first one to admit that, but actually, let's go at it like this. See, they have things other than makeup and all of the normal things that I normally get. They have different and unusual items in the Fabfitfun Edit Sale. See, that was the point I was trying to make. It was intentional. I will put the link below to Jessica's video where she explains her new box much better than I did. And I will put the link to the box in case you want to sign up for the email. Thanks again for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.